What's up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this cute, affordable crochet protective style that you can definitely do yourself, because it is super easy, super stylish, and it's perfect for the summer weather. So as you can see, this is what we are starting off with. My hair has been washed and conditioned and dried, air dried, but there is no product in my hair. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and put this Shea Moisture Enhancing Smoothie inside of my hair. And then after that, I am going to further style my hair with the Eco Styler Gel. Now, I am not a great braider. So to me, my braid wasn't as neat as I would like it to be, but you just want to go ahead and smooth your hair out as much as you can. And you're going to see some white residue on my hair, but that's because of the products, and because my hair is still damp, the products is going to come off as white, but once it dry, that is going to dissolve. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair down on both sides, and then we're going to get into crocheting the hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. So yes, this is kind of going to be like a braidless crochet. One thing you definitely want to pay attention to is if you can, just make sure your parting is straight. As you can see, my parting was terrible in the back, but I'm going to show you how I covered that up. So of course you want to get your edges right, and then you want to lay your hair down with a scarf. And I want to apologize for the lighting in this video. It has been raining where I am, so the lighting is literally on and off because the sun is doing its own thing. But the hair that we're going to be using is going to be, it's this X-pressions Afro Twist springy hair. I have it in the color 1B, and when I tell you ladies, one pack is enough. You literally only need one pack to complete this style, and I did have some hair left over. As you can see, it looks as if there's 3 packs in one, and so I think that's the reason why it stretched so much. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to crochet the hair the regular way. Like, there is nothing to it. I just stick the crochet needle through, pull it through, and in this clip I tied it twice, but I promise you, you only need to tie it once. When the videos, as you can see throughout the rest of the videos, I will be only tying them once. So I'm gonna come back and show y'all how I get it to blend at the top. And I did forget to mention that in the back, I did not split the hair at all. So as the hair comes off of the actual bundle of hair, that's how I put it in the back. However, when I get towards the front, I am going to split the hair into 3. So as you can see here, we're just gonna go ahead and split the hair. It does give you a little bit of frizz. As you can see, the type of texture this is. If you don't like frizz, then it won't work for you. So at the top, as you can see, I'm gonna do like the invisible part method, where you only tie one side of the hair instead of both sides. And I'm gonna do that all the way up to the top. And this is going to complete the look. Absolutely in love with how natural this looks. It is so sleek and so stylish. I absolutely love it. This hair is everything. So one thing I'm going to point out is around the parting area, you just want to make sure you pull the hair forward. And I use some hairpins. So as you can see, I'm gonna drop my head down in a few. I just use some hairpins to kind of pin the hair down so it can give you that invisible look to kind of make it like it's your hair coming out. And then I just use some jewels that I got from my local beauty supply store. And that's going to complete the look. You can put jewels on it. You can do the hair beads. You can do the hair strings. It's really just up to you and what you want to do. So I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box below for this hair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Also, make sure you guys check out my hair business, TheKeyisME hair collection. I'll have my information down in the description box below, where I sell luxury, virgin, and raw hair. I make custom made wigs on the sewing machine. I will be adding U-part wigs as well as drawstring ponytails to the website soon. So make sure you shop TheKeyisME. It's an add to cart type of day. Thank you so much for the support.